Assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to show you how to make an Oreo ice cream cake. So here are the things needed. So now I'm having 16 crushed Oreos. I've grinded it. You can even use the rolling pin to crush it into fine powder. First I'm adding 5 tablespoons of melted butter into it. Now mix it well. Yes, this is the texture. Then put this mixture into the cake tray. And level it. You can also use your fingers for this process. Now I'm keeping this in the freezer for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm taking 1 liter of vanilla ice cream and I'm adding 4 Oreos broken into pieces and mixing it well. Don't let the ice cream melt too much so that it will spoil your ice cream cake. So here's the Oreo base after 20 minutes in the freezer. Now add the ice cream mixture into it. Now level it. Yes, I'm done with it. Now deep freeze this for 1 hour. This is how it looks like after 1 hour. I'm gonna decorate it with 4 to 5 Oreos broken into pieces. Spread it all over. Some dark chocolate grated or chocolate chips at your wish. You can spread anything. That's optional as well. So done with the decoration. You can also decorate it with melted chocolate. Perfect. Now I'm keeping it in the deep freezer for 24 hours. So this is how it looks after 24 hours. Perfect. I'm telling you, it's finger licking good. So do try it and let me know how it works. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.